Easiest grade I've ever seen. You gonna put it out in the water? Who goes out in the water? This is bland job, riprap shoreline, prepping the soil. Raul on the excavator. He's gonna go ahead and clean up the shoreline. We're gonna stabilize the shoreline with a fabric and a riprap, a number 4 riprap. It's an Army Corps job. Had it approved by the Army Corps of Engineers to stabilize the erosion control of the shoreline. That they've been losing soil into the water, and they need to stabilize the edge of their property. A couple guys moving out some of the sticks and cattails that were on the shoreline so we can grade properly, and then roll out some fabric, cover that fabric with a number 4 riprap. So a standard mini excavator, comes on every job, fits through a wide gate. We use a crawler to bring the material down. That'll probably be coming down here shortly. And we're very equipped, very mechanical. So our production levels exceed other competitors that have to dig by hand or wheelbarrow by hand. We move 3 tons of material in and out per buggy. He's gonna go ahead and reach out into the water. Got a 7-foot boom on there. Get some of the silt back that's been cheating into the water. And then we'll put the fabric down over this silt and stone on top of the fabric. Let some of the spoils dry up and then grade it out. This will be our shoreline, and here's the neighboring shoreline. He's losing a little. His picnic table went in the water this year. Put some outcrop so that his pier can be supported on the outcrop, and the rest will be a stone shoreline. He's going to get some native plantings that'll filter some of the and stabilize the bank, filter some of the products going into the lake, you know, stop some of the fertilizer, and then that plants hold the soil in also, stop it from eroding into the water. It's Keith Dietrich checking on the job site at the Bland residence. Here's our truck, nicely parked, our stone pile organized, and the Bobcat. He's loading the Bobcat onto a crawler. The crawler is very low impact. You'll see minor tracking in the yard. Still dealing with a little frozen pond. They're laying down a fabric roll on the shoreline. Moving right along with the Mini, rolling out some fabric as an underlayment, to protect against weeds and just again stabilize the joint. There's Enrique, happy to say hello. This is guys putting down fabric, stabilize that bank, the stone that they got in this morning. Be a outcrop area between the stone shoreline for his pier and access into the water, but looking good. Guys are tucking the fabric with the machine, and then calling the crawler. Never get stuck. Tight 6-foot fence, but still not having any issues. Go ahead and dump. tons of material that would normally take 15 wheelbarrows by hand. So what we can accomplish in a day is hundreds of wheelbarrows. High production.